Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P154B relates to a malfunction in the battery sensor of the 2023 Honda CR-V. This error indicates that the measured value from the 12-volt battery sensor does not match the values obtained from other sensors monitored by the Powertrain Control Module, your PCM. The PCM is responsible for managing engine performance, and when it detects discrepancies between the sensors, it logs a DTC, which in this case is P154B. The battery sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the vehicle's electrical system, helping the PCM make informed decisions about power management. Precise measurements from this sensor affect the overall vehicle performance, particularly when it comes to starting the engine and charging the battery. Addressing this error promptly is essential for ensuring reliable vehicle operation and preventing further electrical issues. The 12-volt battery sensor is a critical component in the electrical system of the Honda CR-V. Its primary role is to monitor the state of the battery and relay that information to the PCM for optimizing engine performance. The sensor is typically located near the battery, easily accessible for inspections or testing. This sensor gathers data on voltage levels and temperatures that are essential for charging and starting functions. When the sensor detects conditions that do not align with expected values from other sensors, the PCM stores a diagnostic trouble code, which here is indicated as P154B. It's crucial to address issues with this sensor, as they can lead to larger electrical system failures if not resolved in a timely manner. There are several potential causes for DTC P154B. One common issue is a faulty battery sensor, which might give incorrect readings due to internal failure or wear. Additionally, poor electrical connections, whether from corrosion or loose wiring, can affect the signal that reaches the PCM, leading to diagnostic discrepancies. A malfunctioning battery itself can also contribute to this error code. For example, issues like depleted charge or internal short circuits can throw off the sensor's readings. Each of these causes needs to be diagnosed correctly to understand the underlying problem causing the DTC. Identifying and addressing these issues early can help prevent more severe electrical issues in the Honda CR-V. Symptoms associated with DTC P154B can manifest in several ways. Drivers may notice voltage discrepancies on their dashboard readings, indicating a potential electrical system fault. Often, the first clear symptom is difficulty starting the engine, which can lead to frustration and potential delays. A warning light may also illuminate on the dashboard, commonly labeled as the battery warning light or electrical system malfunction signal. Other symptoms might include intermittent power loss or erratic behavior of electrical accessories. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent complete battery failure or other significant electrical malfunctions in the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P154B is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This setting allows the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to become operational, providing access to various diagnostic functions. Next, you need to confirm the HDS readings for the estimated battery temperature. This value is crucial as it indicates the thermal performance of the battery and sensor system. By comparing the HDS data to actual temperature reading, you can start to identify potential discrepancies. If the HDS estimated temperature does not match expected values, there may be an issue with the battery sensor itself. In this second step, you must physically measure the temperature surrounding the 12-volt battery sensor using an accurate thermometer. This step is crucial to ensure that the physical readings align with the data reported by the HDS. After taking the measurement, start the engine and allow it to idle for about 1 minute, which allows for steady conditions during testing. Subsequently, you must compare the measured temperature from your thermometer with the estimated battery temperature reported by the HDS. If the difference exceeds 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius, this indicates that a malfunction exists with the 12-volt battery sensor. These temperature variations can point directly to sensor issues, which need immediate attention. The third troubleshooting step also begins with turning the vehicle to the on mode, allowing the HDS to initiate operations. This step is aimed at confirming the battery current readings that the 12-volt battery sensor provides. You need to access the HDS function that displays the battery current battery sensor value. It is important that these readings should indicate less than 0 amperes, which typically represents a baseline condition in a properly functioning battery sensor. If the readings are abnormal or exceed this threshold, it further confirms that there is indeed a problem with the battery sensor, necessitating further inspection or possible replacement to restore accurate readings and vehicle functionality. Upon ensuring that all necessary repairs related to DTC P154B have been conducted, it's vital to perform a final verification. Start by confirming that each step in the troubleshooting process was thoroughly executed and that any faulty components, such as the battery sensor, have been replaced or repaired. Once verification is complete, clear the DTC from the PCM to reset the system. This is crucial as it allows the vehicle's computer to start with a clean slate, free from prior error codes. After clearing the DTC, conduct a test drive of the Honda CR-V to monitor vehicle performance under real-world conditions and ensure no further issues arise. This step ensures that all systems are functioning correctly and that the repair was successful. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid encountering DTC P154B and similar issues in the future. Regularly inspect the 12-volt battery sensor, ensuring that it is free from corrosion or physical damage, which can lead to erroneous readings. Checking electrical connections also plays a vital role in preventing conductivity issues. All terminals should be secure and free from oxidation. Furthermore, maintaining the overall health of the battery by monitoring charge levels can help in prolonging its life and performance. Routine inspections can help catch potential problems before they escalate into more significant issues that impact the vehicle's electrical system. By adhering to these preventive measures, you can enhance the reliability and efficiency of the Honda CR-V. In summary, DTC P145B is an important error code that indicates a malfunction in the 12-volt battery sensor of the Honda CR-V. Understanding the roles and locations of components involved is critical for proper diagnosis and repair. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, you can systematically isolate and address the root cause of this DTC. Furthermore, regular preventive maintenance can help avoid future issues related to the battery sensor and enhance the vehicle's performance overall. Always remember that a proactive approach to vehicle health can save time, money, and avoid daily inconveniences associated with vehicle malfunctions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.